launch is a really great opportunity to meet like-minded people.
I'm loving it. I think for us being so new and then having people on stage, talking about all the things I've learned over 17, 20 years, we've already taken a lot that we can implement into our business.
I wanted to come to launch because I'm always wanting to learn everything I can, and I think these are really great opportunities. Absolutely loved listening to the speakers, and Jason's a really funny, awesome host actually, so yeah, I've really enjoyed that.
I really wanted to meet all the team because I deal with them over the phone and email, so it's great to finally see them in person. Such a lovely bunch of people.
It's been a jam-packed couple of days. So much information, so much shared knowledge, and actually just a whole lot of love and community as well, which is super important.
Rocketspark has made it really easy, both for the designer but then also our clients. So the handover just makes it so seamless, so they're just fantastic on both ends.
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
There's a joint on the corner where the big boys play, where the whiskey's running like the river, but they all never come for the booze and bass. I'm the one, I'm the lady that'll rock this place. That'll rock this place. That'll rock this place. Rock this place. Rock this place. Rock this
place. Being self-employed, it was so great to basically be in a team environment for 2 days, get some opinions, get some knowledge, and then push that out to my clients.
One of my key takeaways was the quote, "A rising tide lifts many boats." I think that's really relevant to Rocketspark and the community that they've created.